A lot of people have turned to acupuncture as a weight loss method. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese practice, is an effective method of boosting weight loss when on a diet. Here's how acupuncture can help you for weight loss goals. The reason why acupuncture is used for weight loss is because it can solve the energy distribution problem of the body that normally causes weight gain. Chinese medicine has it that what causes obesity is the disruption of energy flow of the body, which results malfunctioning of certain organs such as kidney, spleen, and digestive system. This disruption of energy flow also affects a part of the brain called hypothalamus, which controls the rate of hunger and thirst of the body. More still, these disruptions of energy impact negatively on fat accumulation, water retention, and stress development, which is main contributor of over extra pound weight. Acupuncture increases metabolism, improves the cholesterol level, and the functioning of the intestines. Also, it helps in improving moods and reduce stress by releasing specific neurotransmitters to the body. Most importantly, it helps suppress appetite, thereby keeping you full at all times. Acupuncture appears to quite effective at reducing body mass and aiding weight loss when used together with diet and exercise. However, before you start using acupuncture for weight loss, you will need to discuss with your acupuncturist about the real cause of your weight gain. Some people gain weight as a result of stress. Here the best weight loss method will be to help individual relax more often. For other, habitual eating may be the reason for weight gain. Here the treatment will be focused on problems related to craving, when your acupuncturist must have identified the problem. He or she will now be able to decide the appropriate combination of points to push the needles for about 2 mm. This is done to break up the energy nodes that are causing disruptions to the proper functioning of your body. The most important points to be observed by acupuncture weight loss are: stomach, to prevent compulsive snacking; mouth, for those who eating too much; kidneys, for water retention treatment; lungs, to treat addictions to certain foods; spleen, to solve sugar related problems. It advised that you follow 2 sessions every week for about 2 to 3 months. Researchers recommended that pairing acupuncture treatment with other healthy lifestyle choices like portion control, healthy food, and regular physical activity will lead to amazing results. Always remember that if you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.